Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Amazon Associates and create product lists, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with Amazon Associates, start by visiting the Amazon Associates homepage. Click on the Join Now for Free button. Log in using your existing Amazon account credentials. If you don't have an account, create a new one by following the prompts. After logging in, fill out your account information, including your name, address, and phone number. Next, provide your website information, including the URL where you'll promote products. You may also enter additional platforms, such as social media accounts. In the next step, describe how you plan to drive traffic to your site. Specify what type of content you will create to promote Amazon products. After completing this section, read and agree to the operating agreement. Next, submit your application. Once approved, you can access the dashboard. To create product lists, start by selecting product links from the menu. Use the search bar to find products related to your niche. Choose the products you want to feature. Click on the Get Link button for your selected items. Customize the link format as needed, such as text, image, or text plus image. Copy the generated HTML code if you want to embed it on your website. Alternatively, use the provided short links for social media sharing. To create a product list, consider themes or categories that resonate with your audience. Compile your selected products into a visually appealing format. Add descriptions and your personal recommendations for each item. Remember to follow Amazon's guideline for disclosures about affiliate links. When your product list is ready, publish it on your platform. Regularly update your lists to include new products and maintain relevance. Monitor your performance through the Amazon Associates dashboard. This will help you understand what works for your audience. With these steps, you're well on your way to successfully promoting products through Amazon Associates. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.